Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will begin adding additional automation, documents with Google Drive, and adding team members. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 accounts I have created. Simply click on Invite in the top middle of your screen here. You can either send an invite with links or you can add people by username. Once the usernames are added, let's now add your Google Drive account to your Trello board. If you need help with this, I will have a pop-up on the screen now, and I'll have a link in the description to check out Google Drive Basics I created in a previous video. Let's now go ahead and start adding other templates. This template will be the template for a planning section. This template will be activated once our initiation and proposal checklist is completed, similar to what we did in the last video. We will also move this card automatically to a new list to keep everything moving as planned. This template checklist will be called Cost Analysis and will include internal meeting to discuss the plan, discuss hard costs to make sure numbers are close to the estimate costs, create a cash flow chart, and create a cost control plan. Next template we will add will be the communication plan. Here we'll begin adding information for our custom field power-up as well. The complete list of personnel and stakeholders, preferred communication methods, and frequency of meetings. I typically create a separate list of information and link it here from Google Drive folder, but I will demonstrate both options here. Click on our card from our last video and click on Custom Field Power-Up on the right here. You can add the title of the fields required for your specific situation. I will add position, their phone number, and email address as titles here. In these fields, I will now add a general contractor, their phone number, and email address. Let's quickly populate all of this information. Once you have completed adding the details, it will be displayed in the front of the card. This can be easy for people to access in the field. My other preferred option is to create either a Google Sheet or a Word document to hold this information and link it from Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive Power-Up. You can either click and create a file directly in Trello, or you can access already created documents and link them that way. I have already created a quick Google Sheets document to display some stakeholders. Click on Google Drive again and attach a file. It may ask you to log into your Google account at this point if you haven't already done so. Click the proper file and attach it to Trello. It may take a minute or two to attach. Once it attaches, you can access these files directly from your Trello card. You can also access this information in the mobile device. Let's check this out now. We will quickly switch to our mobile screen. In the mobile screen, click on the same card we attached the file to, and it will be open in a pop-up window. You may also need to log into your Google account on your mobile device as well. You can see this document is now on our mobile device. This is handy for people in the field to access important contacts quickly and to keep production on schedule. Let's head back into our desktop version. Let's now add an advanced safety plan template checklist. This will be site-specific safety plan, assess hazards, daily toolbox meetings, and define site-specific safety rules. That's it for today's quick video. Next video will begin adding automation procedures for these checklists and assigning specific team members and due dates to tasks using advanced checklists. If you like these videos, consider liking and subscribing for more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.